Good day, viewers. You are welcome. So, how to solve this Olympiad equations? And let's see solutions. So, first is by taking the square of both sides. We have root 2 plus root x. By taking the square of it equals 2 squared. So, this is when we have a plus b raised to power 2 equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So next we have 2 plus x plus 2 multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root x equals 4. So here we have 2 plus x plus 2 multiplied by the square root of. So these are having the same, they're having square root, and we have to multiply 2 and x together, as we have square root of 2x equals 4. So by taking 2 plus x to other side, we have 2 square root of 2x equals 4 minus 2 minus x. So next we have 2 square root of 2x equals 4 minus 2. We're going to have 2 minus x. So by taking the square of both sides again, we have 2 square root 2x raised to power 2 equals 2 minus x raised to power of 2. So then let's say we have ab raised to power 2, it is equals a squared b squared. So here we have 2 squared multiplied by square root of 2x raised to power 2 equals 2 minus x raised to power of 2. Then 2 squared is 4 multiplied by, so square and square root cancelled, and this multiplied by 2x equals, so let's say we expand this, we are going to get 2 minus x multiplied by 2 minus x. Then 4 multiplied by 2x, that gives us 8x equals, so when 2 multiply this, we have 2 into bracket of 2 minus x, and also minus x to multiply this into bracket of 2 minus x. Then 8x equals 2 times 2, you get 4 minus 2 times x, that is 2x, minus x times 2, that is 2x, and minus x multiplied by minus x, you get plus x squared. Then we have this as 8x equals 4 minus 2x minus 2x, that is minus 4x plus x squared. So next we have to take this 8x to this side, as we have to write this as x squared minus 4x. So when this comes, we have minus 8x plus this 4 equals 0. Then we have x squared minus 4x minus 8x, that gives us minus 12x plus 4 equals 0. And here is a quadratic equations, as we are going to solve it by applying the quadratic formula. But what we need here is, we need a, which is coefficient of x squared, as 1. We need b, which is coefficient of x, as minus 12, and we need c, which is 4. So we have to substitute this in this formula, which says x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So by substituting them, we have x equals minus into bracket of minus 12 plus or minus square root of minus 12 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Then by expanding this, what we get here is x equals minus times minus, that is plus 12 plus or minus square root of, so we have this as 12 squared, which is 144, minus 4 multiplied by 4, that gives us 16 divided by 2. So here we have x equals 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 16, that is 128 divided by 2. So next we have x equals 12 plus or minus, you can separate this as 64 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. Then x equals 12 plus or minus, so we separate this as square root of 64 multiplied by square root of 2 divided by 2. And next we have x equals 12 plus or minus square root of 64, that is 8 multiplied by root 2 divided by 2. So here we have x equals, when we factor out 2 from here, when we divide this one by 2, we have 6 plus or minus, when we divide this one by 2, we have 4 square root of 2 divided by 2. And when these 2 and these 2 cancelled, we get x equals 6 plus or minus 4 square root of 2. And this implies that our x1 equals 6 plus 4 square root of 2, and we have our x2 equals 6 minus 4 square root of 2. So there are two solutions here, and the only one that satisfies this problem is this. So we can try and verify that and drop the answer in the comment box. See you in the next class, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Never stop learning. Bye bye.